how to delete Google search history on your iPhone. So basically what this is you're going to be able to delete your browsing history or your search history on your Google Chrome app if you're someone that uses it quite often. I use Safari, but I do use Chrome for certain things. So what we can do is go to your Chrome app, make sure you're logged into the correct account. So you can go to the top right corner and make sure that you're in the right account that you want to delete the history in. So from here, you want to go to the three dots at the bottom right-hand corner here. And you're going to have all kinds of settings and options here, but you can do two things. You can either swipe left with these options here and go find history. And as you see, it's the first option here for me. Or you can go down to delete browsing data. So it's basically the same thing. So I'm going to go ahead and hit history. And that's going to bring up all these different things here. And what we can do is go ahead and as you see at the bottom, it says delete browsing data. So from here, it's very specific. You can pick a time range. So I'm just going to hit, let's just say, in the last 24 hours. And you can go ahead and delete that data. And now it's being deleted. You can go through and go do that or just delete all of it. So we can even go back to the three dots, go back to delete browsing data. And you can just hit for the time range all time. And it will completely wipe out your Google search history in just a couple seconds. And that's it. Really simple, really easy.